So the solution for this example, in this cell here, we're going to build a VLOOKUP. So we're going to look up how many widgets we produce in that month, compare it to this table, put our dollar signs on, pull through the second column, and what must it look up? Well, we don't know how many widgets we're going to produce. We cannot create a table big enough for that. So therefore, we want it to look approximate. And when I say OK, you'll see it pulls through 100,000. And you'll see in the graph I've just shown what it's going to look like with the stepped costs. The inflation factor, we're going to say take what we think it would cost in today's terms and multiply it by whatever our factor is. And now what we've got is how much we think it's going to cost us at any point in time based on this production.